What's the best part of your workday and why?
So IRO's work culture is one thing that makes me want to work every day. I get to interact with different set of people other than my team members, and I get to know what's happening across the organization, which helps me expand my knowledge horizons, and that's an opportunity for me to go outside the bubble.
Hi Anuj. So here's one quick question for you. If you had to describe IORO in a movie title, what would it be?
I would describe IORO as Avengers because IORO acts like a tech revolution where Avengers assemble, so innovators assemble as IORO, where a team of superheroes they assemble to tackle a complex challenge of any project which comes through.
As a new journey, my experience has been positive and welcoming. I quickly got familiar with the company culture. Everyone was eager to help me get settled in the project. So I feel very supportive and ready to contribute. So yeah, my experience is very good.
Hey, hi CM the board. I have a fantastic question for you. If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why?
If I could have any superpower, I would like to create clone of myself, so that I will be able to create multiple tasks. I can do. I can use more laptops and have more productivity.
Hey, hi Mahika. Mahika, I have an interesting question for you. What IORO would have been like in alternate realities?
That is a very interesting question. Off the top of my head, I think it would be more than a company. It would be like a secret society, and people with certain powers like designing, engineering, AI whisperers would be brought into the company. And their powers would be utilized in like this underground lab where we would all be together and everything would be coming to life. So UI designers are sketching their ideas in real life in the air, and engineers are with a click of their finger building it, and we are showing it to clients when clients can actually go inside that reality and see, okay, this is our product, this is what we are going to be putting out there. And through this, everything will be in real time, everything will be very tangible, and I think that will be really cool. And maybe this is not an alternate reality, and maybe this is what is going to happen very soon in our company. So let's see.
Okar, what's something unique about the company that you think sets it apart?
So one unique thing about the company is like its focus on the skills over the experience. So if you have the ability to perform well, then you will definitely get an opportunity here. And even if you are facing some blocker or you are stuck at any moment, the entire team is there to help you. And even not from your team also, core team is also are always available to help you.
Pallavi, can you think of a time when you had to make a decision that reflected our company values?
Okay, it's a bit difficult question actually. So we at IRO, we live the IRO values, that is the accountability, integrity, evolving mindset and the empathy from project end-to-end process. We take the responsibility of each and every project and we keep everything transparent. Beyond this, one moment really show these values in action. So during my maternity leave, the team was busy with the tasks and the deadlines, and we were looking for a Spring Boot developer. So Chaitanya asked for the help with the Spring Boot developer interviews, and I jumped in. So doing those interviews even on leave shows accountability, a commitment to the team.
One of the most memorable moment at Arrow was my very first day. I had a feeling that there might be holiday next day, but since my manager Pooja casually mentioned CI tomorrow, I showed up next morning and there was an holiday. Anupam sir was there in office. So he said, since you are here, you can just go to some design documentations, you can sit here. And whereas Nilesh sir has a complete different opinion, he said, you can go to nearby mall, pavilion, you can have some relaxed time, you can start working from tomorrow. So basically, quick adaptability and learn with the go was my first experience in Aero. And yeah, definitely a great team to work along with.
Hey Pratiksha, if you can tell us your funniest memory at IORO.
I have got lots of funny memories from it. In the beginning, me, Kirti, Pooja, Ashmi sits together and sing very loudly, and Anupam would just pass by and laugh.
wherein we was going for a trip at Adelaide, Siberia. There were very funny moments, especially the roller coaster and scary rides like Alibaba Caves. And recently, the UGG team, our table was center of attraction because we always keep laughing and making jokes while working. So I would say fun is still at heart of everything we do.
Priyanka, can you share a moment when you had to adapt to something new at work? And how did you manage that change?
Oh, that's really a very interesting question. So, as you all know, change is the only constant, and to adapting to that change is the only way, is what I feel. Fortunately, at IORO, it is seamless and way creative than what we imagine. All thanks to our very supportive core team, because they not only introduced us to the new change, but they introduced us on the right time for that. And I have personally experienced that when I got the opportunity to manage the projects along with my core skills, that is UI UX. So while doing that transition, it was very seamless and way creative than what I imagined. All thanks to the supportive system at IORO as well as the entire journey. So thank you very much for that.
Hey, hi Raj. I have one question for you. What does taking ownership of a task or a project mean to you?
Okay. So for me, taking an ownership of a project or a task is basically not only related to completing a task or the project that we are completely assigned for, but also understanding the reasons behind that. So understanding the reason why we are currently doing this task, or how is the design to impact the overall product. Okay, so is it really going to help the user needs or the product vision that we have? So understanding those parts is something that I also take into consideration when I'm having the ownership of this particular project or a task. Okay, and also being a UI designer, it is not only related to design, but the overall experience for the service or the product that we are creating for. Okay, so and also I take immense pride in being vocal about things, communicating clearly, and stepping up for any challenge that we have for. So yeah, so in all, summarizing this everything into one place, I would say that taking ownership is nothing but delivering with accountability and empathy towards the particular product and plan that we are working for. Thank you.
Hi Sankalp. Sankalp, one question for you and here it goes. How would you describe the company culture in 3 words?
Okay. First one is the innovation, second one is the diversity, and third one is the unity. In innovation, I want to add a point where we are working in the IT industry, we are evolving in such a way that we are adapting the new technologies as well, and adapting the new changes. That is the one innovation part we are doing. Second one is the diversity. In my teammates, the people comes from the different background and the different states. So irrespective of the states, people and the employee have equal opportunity and the responsibility to work in the team and evolve in the team as well. And third one is the unity. As unity in sales, I want to add that HR organize the team involvement activity where each employee can connect with different employees from the another team. This will help us to engage in the team, and which help employee as well to valued and connected with the team. That's it.
When I think of IRO, I look towards a famous personality, that is Steve Jobs. The qualities like innovation first, disruptor in the market, user-centric approach. This kind of qualities has always been with IRO, which are very famous with the Steve Jobs. And that's why I think IRO and Steve Jobs qualities go hand in hand.